Hello students, very good morning, and this is our general knowledge session. In last session we have studied about European languages. Today we will study Indian words in English. Indian words in English. In English language, most of all Indian words are there. Now see, whenever we talk with each other, when we are talking in different language, like if our language is Hindi and we are talking in English, the other person who is listening, he listens our conversation with his head, but when you talk with him in his own language, that is Hindi, then he listens with his heart. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart. He listens our conversation with his concentration. Now, English is used all over the world. New words from various languages come into English as they are popularly used worldwide. Now, English is used all over the world. In most of all country, English is the official language. It is almost used everywhere. In schools, in colleges, in offices, everywhere English is commonly used language. Here are some words of Indian origin which are now part of mainstream English. Find these words in the grid. You can move up, down and diagonally. Here small exercise is given. Here alphabets are there, but in these alphabets some words are being hidden. We have to find out. We will find this later on. First we will see what words are there. Which are the words? Guru. Guru, who is the Guru? A personal religious teacher and guide. You all are familiar with the name Guru. Who is being called Guru? The person to whom we see as an idol. It is also a teacher or it may be our guide. Chutney. Chutney is also an Indian word, but now it is being added in English. A thick sauce of Indian origin that contains fruits, vinegar, sugar and spices. These are some ingredients with which chutney is being prepared. Bazaar. You all are familiar with the word bazaar, a type of market that has rows of small shops which sell many different kinds of things. Khaki. Now you all know about the khaki word. Khaki is the dull brownish yellow colored cloth made usually of cotton or wool and used specially for military uniforms. Khaki is specially used for military uniforms. It is the type of cloth, and here color is mentioned. How it is? Brownish yellow color. Pandit. Pandit means a person who knows a lot about a particular subject. A particular subject is very well known by the person. It is known as the Pandit. That person is known as the Pandit. Next is aloo. Aloo is the potato, Indian potato. Dal. Dal, you all are familiar with the dal, dried legume as lentils, beans or peas, and also an Indian dish made of spiced legumes. Papad, a thin wafer. Sari, a garment worn by women of South Asia, consisting of a length of cloth draped around the body. Sari, you all are familiar with the word sari. Now in this grid you have to find out all these words. Now see, language is constantly changing and developing. As new words are added, some older ones fall into disuse. Every day new words are being formed. Language is constantly changing. It is upgrading. Surveys indicate that even words such as fortnight and marmalade are on their way out. Now you know fortnight means what? Fortnight. The word is used for the duration of 2 weeks. That is also called 14 nights. 14 nights means 2 weeks. Duration of 2 weeks. It is also known as fortnight. And marmalade, it is the fruit preservative that is made from the juice and peel of citrus fruits, and then it is boiled with sugar and water. Are on their way out. Do you know, over the years, around 900 to 1000 Indian words have found a place in English, with keema being the latest addition. Keema is also being added in English. So you read this once again and try to find out these words in this grid.